Say good morning. Hey, say good morning. Ceja, say good morning. Hey, Ceja. Ready to go? Hey, ready to go? Yeah? It's your Frankensons? Huh? Let's go. We're at the gas station and we are heading off to Frankensons. We had to pick up a few drinks, coffee for my girlfriend, and then I have a Monster somewhere in here, but we're putting gas in and we're gonna head off to Frankensons. It's a very, very sunny day. It's early in the morning. It's a little after 8. So let's do it. Also, before we head out, I'm gonna show you guys the I think this is what, week 4 on the week 4 of the no cutting my hair. So I'll show you guys the length of it. You can see right there, it is pretty long. Don't worry, this isn't gonna be the style. I'm actually gonna be styling my hair. It's just gonna take a while for me to do it. I just really have to let it grow out. So my girlfriend's showing off the dog here at the gas station. So we're gonna head out to Frankensons right now. And I think the gas is finished pumping, so let's go ahead. We're gonna head on over, pop over the Monster drink because I am tired. I got very little sleep last night. My son went to bed really early and he woke up like I think at 5 a.m. and he was playing video games. So, all right, let's get on over. Frankensons it is. I know a lot of you guys have been wanting to see how this place looks, so let's go ahead and do it. We're pretty much arriving to Frankensons. This is the street that you turn into, which is San Jose Avenue. Oh God. I'm gonna run a red light on the camera. Oh, and I am. I have to edit that out. Alright, so this is, we're coming up to the building, which, well, there's already a lot of people, which is on the right hand side, which looks like a, what would you call this? Like a
big warehouse.
Big warehouse, yeah. Warehouse with a bunch of sellers on it. So you can see right there, it does read Frankensons. So hopefully we get front row parking. The place doesn't open till 9 o'clock, but Josh is gonna let us in. VIP treatment. Just kidding. So this is the little line that they have inside. I think Stan Lee is gonna be signing here this month. I didn't get my ticket. I think it's like $50 for a ticket. I got something autographed from him last year, but the parking in here is really, really bad. And this place fills up quick right away, and I always get the same parking lately, which is the end parking right here. So here we go. Now we just gotta call Josh and tell him to let us in. All right, so we're going into Frankensons. I think my battery's on low, and I forgot to bring the charger. Let me get the shot of the dog who's making his first trip to Frankensons in the bag. You'll get more footage of him later. Looks like there's gonna be a Dodger signing here. First stop is Josh's booth, which I've shot before, but I'll do a quick rundown here. It hasn't opened in here just yet, and there's...
You guys got baby wipes? You need to wipe his little peepees. Do I have any baby wipes?
No, I don't think we do.
Oh my gosh.
I have the camera, Josh.
Oh, adorable. Do you have any pads or anything?
No.
No? Jeez, guys.
You know, I didn't think about that. I didn't think about bringing any baby wipes.
I'll just keep taking him outside.
Hey, watch him.
Where'd he go? Yeah, you have a leash and harness yet?
No.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. We didn't let our dog outside for 6 months until all of his vaccinations
Yeah,
were
that's
done.
what I have to do with this one.
I would, especially I mean,
Was that Andrew Garfield?
Well, we started,
Trying to get this to focus. There we go.
and we know there's already dogs in our neighborhood, and so when there's other dogs fighting,
This Deadpool up here is pretty sick.
first, so they don't catch anything from us. Literally, it was 6 months. We potty trained our dog inside.
So we're gonna show you inside his booth here. Just random stuff that he has. This is how we're gonna start off Frank and Sons before we actually start walking around. But I have shot here before. For all you new subscribers, definitely check out Josh's booth. There's some of the legends that he has. Get it to focus.
We still walk in twice a day.
Look at that, there's a Deadpool right up there. Some selects up here.
Yeah, it's the only Edward. So the outfit's done great, the accessories, but this is back when their sculptors weren't so good.
Right.
If they could do a new head that looks like these, it'd be killer. Need to change around my lights. Thank you.
Yeah, he's still pretty cheap on Big Bad.
You can still snag him. Well, dude, I know people dumping on him all the time. It's poor guy. He gets no love.
It's a nice piece too. Show you some of the other stuff he has in his Detolf case. Scan through over here.
I want to look at this first picture you said. That's not the same one?
No.
Let's see the markings.
Still a ghost town. So Josh's aisle is in the 700 aisle. Towards the back. So we're walking in some of the booths here. I think I won't be able to go through everything like detailed, but I'll scan through some of the, oh, that's pretty cool. Some of the stuff, if this focuses. I think I have it on autofocus. Some old school cards. How you doing? You guys, I used to be a card collector, so I got a bunch of old school cards here. Takes good video.
You sure?
For the most part. I'm still getting the hang of it. It's fairly new.
Oh, really?
Yeah. A bunch of oh, this is cool. So a lot of this stuff here is vintage stuff. Go right over here, some Masters of the Universe. I'm gonna shoot more in this guy's booth because he does sell a lot of vintage figures. In the hundreds. Do not touch. Bunch of random stuff in here. I'm gonna shoot behind you right now. So this is the horror section in this cellar. Cool little setup. Tortured souls. Freddy. Look at that. I want that Freddy. Which one? Not that one.
I know, but that one was purple.
No, but that. No, that's not the one I was looking at. Check you right there. Some loose figures.
Creepy little guy.
Who?
This one.
So we're in that same cellar and showing just more of the vintage items that they have. And this isn't even, this cellar has a really big booth, so there's a lot more stuff to it. But just a bunch of Star Wars. This one looks like some Dragon Ball Z figures. And then they have a bunch of loose figures in bags. Like you can see old school Marvel stuff, some new DC stuff, older DC stuff, some Simpsons right up top, and then right over here they also have like a bunch of retro TMNTs loose in bags like this on the other side of their booth. Oh, there's some over here. So if you guys are like old school retro TMNTs, they also have some in card, and then they also have some over here that looks like they're in cases. They got some loose 11-inch figures or 12-inch figures. Look at that Bebop right there. That's pretty cool right there. But this cellar is really cool as far as like getting some vintage stuff, and they have pretty good prices as well. But zoom out here as much as I can. Oh, VR Troopers. That's pretty cool. Let's move on. Oh. Well, I think I already got the other side of this. Just a bunch of loose stuff. Just going through down each aisle. So I'm not going to be stopping through all the aisles. I'll just give you guys like a quick rundown of stuff that people sell. Some of the sellers, a bunch of Funko stuff, a bunch of loose figures right here. So they can focus in. The Batman collection. A bunch of stuff. So we're inside another seller here who sells a bunch of DC Direct or DC collectibles. So you can see the massiveness of the DC collectibles, some play art stuff up top. Some Walking Dead figures. WWE. Sorry, buddy. Some figure arts. Sorry. Watch out, dude. I'm gonna get right under here. I'm gonna get this Disney. I'm not just gonna focus in. There's some legends.
I'm not doing too much. Like, was it when Kane was doing those? I think he they said no. It was from the years of wrestling outside of the ring.
Yeah, we're just trying to put some together. Look, Scott, monk. See how soft he is. I'll tell you. Oh, look. I guess. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I always wondered. He's softer than this thing. That was just come to find out, we have like a full pump with all these toys and milk. Cute.
Oh, I seen it.
The custom Freddy. Oh. Oh, this is cool up here. My dog is popular. Dog's getting a lot of attention. There's that turntable I have. Oh, this isn't focusing.
Alright.
Sorry. These are pretty cool. James Dean. These stormtroopers. Oh, these are cool. This is a very, very nice little booth. A lot of horror stuff. With the masks up top. Pretty cool booth, so I'll give you a shot of the outside. Still pretty early, so some of the places are pretty closed. This looks like it's a lot of Dragon Ball stuff in here. So I'm going to skim down these aisles really quick. This is like towards the back area of Frank & Sons, and this is more, a lot of this stuff is more like sports memorabilia. There's some DC stuff in here. Art prints. And they got a lot of cards, sports collectibles. Arnold Schwarzenegger right there. More sports stuff. Bunch of sports stuff on in these aisles. But again, it is pretty early, so a lot of the sellers aren't here yet. But when you come towards the end of the aisles down this way, it is a lot more. This is like the 100 aisle. Now this is more sports stuff down here. And then when you come down this way, this is like more of the collectible stuff. But it is pretty big. So we're gonna come right over here. Come on, babe. So this is another seller I used to buy from a lot back when I was doing a lot of the Marvel Selects and DC and a lot of the horror figures. Excuse me. You can see right here, Spawn. Got some horror stuff up top. I want to get this. That's going to pick up.
Start talking like that. Yeah, do you guys have us? They're going to be talkers. They don't really fire. They're going to be talking to you.
Hellraiser stuff. Bunch of Funko Pops. Look at all this. This is all Funko Pops right here. Right here is like a little Hot Wheels booth. Just a bunch of Hot Wheels. Excuse me. This is all like pretty much Hot Wheels. Come over here, we got some old school video games. Nintendo 64.
His head is the size of your entire body. He's huge. He can stand on his paws and he's higher than Mr. And his dad was much bigger.
Custom bases. Look at Prometheus, is badass.
Thank you for asking.
Oh, no problem.
Because that is my husband's work.
It's okay though, right? Okay.
That's when you come into the shop with a puppy. And a beautiful woman, you know.
You get the okay.
I get the puppy. My husband would say, "Go for it." You know, looking at her. That's why. I know. Sweet baby though.
Thank you. See, what we got to do is we got to bring in Ceja with us, and then we get the okays to record everything. I think we came in this way. Yeah, I think we already came in this way. Yeah, we've been down this aisle. Just a bunch of stuff everywhere. If you guys want sunglasses too, and not to forget, they do sell comics here also. And there's Josh's booth right here, passing by again. Legos. You can see here there is comics here. And this is where I get all my NECA stuff, guys. Right over here at Nora's booth. Just NECA. Oh God. A raccoon. This is where you get your NECA stuff, guys, if you're down here at Frank & Sons. Alright, over here, right across from the NECA booth, the NECA lady, what everybody calls her, is the imports area. So you can see inside the actual booth. I'm gonna focus this in. There is a bunch of imports here. I think a lot of these are figure arts.
The puppy? Oh, he or she.
So you can see this is a lot of imports, and I know a lot of you guys are really into imports, but just a bunch of imports here. And you can see there is an inside area. You can't go inside, but it looks a little cramped inside, but there's a lot of imports here. Jeez. Imports. All imports. Some more Hot Toys.
I'll tell you how to do what happened, bro. Me and Anthony got into it. Partly my fault and his. I mean, I shut him down.
Right over here is a bunch of comics. Some pins. I can get you trying to duck with our dog. So this is like the first aisle, and there's a bunch of like comics and like pins and stuff. This is pretty cool. But you can see the size of this place. It's fairly big. Just gonna walk down. And they do sell a lot of like magic cards. This is anybody looking for old school Happy Meal stuff? There's Ronald McDonald. Sorry. So there's a signing over here because they do a lot of signings here at Frank and Sons. It looks like this is something with the Dodgers that they're doing. You see a lot of blue. There's like a lot of the entrance over here. A lot of comic books, shirts. Oh, let's keep on walking.
You're actually going really detailed, babe.
I'm trying to get this to focus. Movie posters. Yeah, I'm gonna go right in here. Sorry. Some movie posters here. They even sell like accessories for clothes. Just a bunch of just random stuff. If you guys are into, I guess these are like stuffed animals and pillows and stuff. They even sell t-shirts here, custom t-shirts for like clothing and whatnot. And everybody wants to pet our dog. They got cell phone cases. And just a bunch of random aisles of just endless like collectibles. You can see all the cell phone cases and stuff. So right over here is like right over here is the main entrance, and it looks like there's more collectibles. You can get some drinks and stuff over here. That's where I get a lot of my monsters. I think my girlfriend got set back there with people wanting to pet the dogs. But this is like the main entrance right over here. You can see everything. This is what it looks like when you walk in. There's a camera there. Gotta get my girlfriend. And there she is with my baby. There she is with my baby. So me and my girlfriend are debating on getting some of these. Ow! So we're taking a break outside of Frank and Sons Collectibles. Actually, my dog is the one taking a break. Flip this around. See how much I can focus in. So yeah, we're taking a little bit of a break out here, and it's a pretty nice day out here. And there's a lot of people here. It's usually more busy than what it is, but it's not too bad today. So we're still gonna get a little bit more footage. I'm hoping I'm getting everything. I hope I'm getting everything as far as like detailed goes with shooting the footage. It is a little bit hard because there is a lot of people around here, and not just that, but I don't know if a lot of people are actually okay with me filming. I am asking permission for certain booths to get film. But overall, I hope you guys are enjoying the footage, and we're still gonna go back in and shoot some more stuff. And yeah, so we'll head back in, guys. We're just letting my dog do his thing. I don't know, let me turn the camera around. You guys can see.
There he goes.
Is he going? There, all right, he's going pee.
I knew it.
So, and they have a little food court out here too, but this is like the main parking lot right here. So it's pretty nice. It's a nice day, really cool out here. So this is one of the parking spots right across the street, and then it's pretty much first come, first serve, man. If you can't find parking, they won't let you park in the buildings like up front. You have to park way down. They're really picky here. They'll tow your truck too. They're really jerks about it in certain businesses that are like across the street. Even though like they're not even open on the weekends, they'll still tow your truck or your car, whatever. But we're gonna head back in a minute. We're just letting our dog do his thing. Come here. Hey, Ceja. In case you guys didn't know, my dog's name is Ceja. That is the name. A lot of people were saying Shelby. Shelby, I think because my girlfriend said something that sounded like it was Shelby, but it's not Shelby. But his name is Ceja, so Ceja dog. So you're gonna see more of this guy on my videos. Ceja, hey. Just walking down another random aisle. If you look up there, it's the 600 aisle. Bunch of stuff, guys. Bunch of stuff. They even sell Blu-rays here if you guys are interested in Blu-rays. But we actually got to make a trip right back to Josh's booth. Got to ask him a question. So we're going down his aisle really quick. A lot of people. It's Prince of Persia. Good. Just getting the Prince of Persia since my girlfriend's Persian.
Hi, sweetie.
So if you guys want any swords or any replicas from Zelda, this is aisle 3. What is aisle 300? Yep. Look at all this stuff. All these Funkos. Bunch of imports in here. Imports. And they even have the, some of these even have the sticker price on them. Just so much stuff. I try to get as much of the import stuff that I can because I know a lot of you guys do like imports. So I don't really know much about the Transformers. Let's keep on cruising. Imports. And they even have the, some of these even have the sticker price on them. Just so much stuff. I try to get as much of the import stuff that I can because I know a lot of you guys do like imports. So I don't really know much about the Transformers. Let's keep on cruising.
That looks good.
Excuse me, guys.
Like, so is it really hot right now?
No, not necessarily that.
Is it like life size?
Yeah, this guy has a lot. I've never really been in here, but this guy does sell a lot of imports. Oh, look at these. These are Iron Man ones. I've never seen these in person. There's a Batman one. I always wanted to get that one. Look at that, Bat Pod. Mr. Potato Head, those are pretty cool. Dragon Ball Z. Wow, I don't even know what a lot of this stuff even is. But it's pretty cool stuff. Get the shot of this over here. I think that's that. I think this is the Kota Bakia stuff. Oh, DeLorean, that's pretty bad. Is that Beetlejuice?
Yeah.
Godzilla. There you go. Sorry. Oh, sorry, man.
Alright, pick one.
It's Godzilla right here. That's pretty bad. Not Godzilla, Beetlejuice. Right in here is where I used to buy a lot of my DC stuff. This guy sells a lot of DC Universe Classics, Funko Pops, I think a few Legends, DC collectibles. And then right over here got some Magic stuff. Bunch of Hot Wheels over here. Bunch of Hot Wheels, and then over here is the Magic booth where everybody plays cards, trades cards. Never really got into that. Some selects. I really miss the DC Universe Classics line. It was a good line. Bunch of Funko stuff. A few play arts.
Good. Yeah, local sold.
Oh, look at that Leatherface.
She's 18. She they started watching it. They were like, what?
We're talking about a bunch of Hot Toys here. What's this? It's a very, very crowded area. Big Red. Wow. A lot of stuff here. Ooh, movie maniacs.
Don't see the big guy.
Jason's, Freddy's. Very good. Freddy's.
How's it going?
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Right?
Yeah, what's up, man?
Yeah, I seen your YouTube video.
Yeah, cool.
See him all the time. I think I saw like maybe 2 nights ago.
Got another seller here towards the corner. So we got some selects. Looks like some MUs. Well, they're not MUs anymore. Some of the newer Legends, Batman stuff, DC UC, DC collectibles. They got a lot of NECA stuff here too, if you can see that up top. Right here at the table is a lot of Funko. Walking Dead. A lot of Walking Dead stuff. And then just a bunch of McFarlane stuff here. There's a lot of stuff here at this seller. And then we come over here and this is more of his stuff over here. Some sports stuff. If you come over here, there's some sports stuff over there too. Like sports figures, but there's some sports figures here. You can see up top. Some comics over there. Yeah, this is towards the end where a lot of the sports stuff is. So the more empty side. You can see. Shit, I hope that wasn't loud. Oh, this guy right here sells a bunch of like candy, dried fruits. Very good, very good. But I'm gonna pick up another monster here. At the snack bar, grabbing another monster. Probably not the best idea. Focus, there you go. And then my girlfriend over there is getting attacked by. Taking another break here at Josh's booth. You can see all the Hot Toys right here at the back, just hanging out. But it's going pretty good. Hope you guys are enjoying the footage that I'm getting here. This is actually a lot of fun doing this. Had a couple people here recognize me, but it's a lot of fun. So there's a few things I'm going to try to pick up. I'm not sure. There is actually one thing I picked up. I'll show you guys at the end of the video. Sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder because I'm kind of out of focus. But this is actually a lot of good practice too with the camera, getting the feel for the camera and everything. It's a lot of fun shooting with this thing. But I think we're gonna hang out here for a little bit longer, and then probably grab something to eat and then head home. I hurt my back, so I'm having a little bit of lower back pain. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'm gonna probably shoot a few more things. If not, I'll give you like a goodbye thing or farewell thing at the end outside of Frank and Sons. So we'll see you in a bit. Off button, power button, record, guys. So that's pretty much the end of this vlog, or as far as going today at Frank and Sons. You can see the building right there in the background. Where the heck is this thing even pointing? Let's see if I can zoom it in. I'm trying to look through it on the viewfinder. Oh, you get the point. So that was it. Right now we're feeding the dog in the parking lot. The only thing we picked up today was a Square Enix, if I'm saying that right, Disney Nightmare Before Christmas. And to go with the Jason is the 19-inch. Let me flip this around. 19-inch Freddy Krueger by NECA. So that's all we picked up. There's nothing new yet that's been coming out as far as anything in the store. But here is Frank and Sons. There's the opening. There's a lot more people, so you can see a lot more people are trying to look for parking now. And we're feeding our dog right here. He's eating. Little pup is hungry. But that was it. Here's another entrance right here to Frank and Sons on this side. But you can see the size of this building. And I'm gonna flip this around. So let me know what you guys think about the video. If you guys want to see more footage again, let me know. I can always come back here and shoot another video. But drop a comment down below, hit the like button. I hope I got enough footage for you guys, and I hope it was all clear enough for you. But we'll see how the video goes, and if you guys want to see more, especially, I mean, there's going to be more videos as far as shopping with Cejaman goes, but we'll see how it goes as far as doing other videos for Frank and Sons. So we'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this.